But do you think one star player coming out of India can change everything?
Yes. Why do you think?
Like something like, let's say someone, if Ronaldo was born here, do you think it would have been
He was
different?
already been born, bro. We've lost him. Messi's also been born. Ronaldo's been born in some state, और वो कहीं और चला गया. या डॉक्टर है वो, या इंजीनियर है वो, या कोई और.
My example is like how cricket has Virat Kohli today. We have some player right now somewhere who's a footballer equivalent of that.
मैंने जब कहा था कि मैं इंडिया को ओलंपिक में मेडल दिलाऊंगा 2036 में, because इंडिया में हो रही है ओलंपिक्स, अंडर 23 के हैं. Why am I so confident about medal there? Because all the boys who are now 11 and 12 with me, they are the ones who are going to make part of the team. Now, when you see the whole thing is such a huge mess that it's impossible to know. They have made it into such a mess that they think that the problem is they keep on saying money, or Africans are big, or they've got this, when the whole thing is they are the problem. Problem is the people running the game in the city. Because if all other games we are able to do, it's a anomaly.
Yeah.
It's total.
But why will they allow you and your players to play for the country?
Why do you think 2034 World Cup, I've said I'll make them qualify. I don't even know if I can make them do well. Why? Because एंड ऑफ द डे मिनर्वा नहीं खेलेगी वर्ल्ड कप, इंडिया खेलेगी.
हाँ, सो इंडिया टीम में मिनर्वा के प्लेयर्स को डालेंगे
तो
नहीं.
मैं बताता हूँ, मेरे पास 104 टाइटल हैं 10 साल में, उसमें से मेरे 22 AIFF के टाइटल हैं. That is in spite and despite of me being the biggest critic of AIFF and being their enemy number one. They fix referees, they fix matches, they fix. तो मेरे टाइटल कितने होते अगर मैं उनका बड़ा चपलूसी होता तो? डबल होते, 200 टाइटल होते मेरे पास. They did everything in their power to make sure it doesn't happen.
But in the
end, I also have 250 plus internationals, which is more than the total of every other club in India. All clubs and academies put together. वो कैसे हुए? भाई साहब जो अच्छे हैं वो नहीं लेके. I'll give you another example. अब बताता हूँ.